As reactions continue to tread the imposed emergency rule in Rivers State, a pro-democracy group, Coalition of Civil Society in Defense of Democracy, has called on President Bola Tinubu to establish a reconciliation committee within 14 days to resolve the crisis in the oil-rich state. President Tinubu had in a nationwide broadcast suspended Governor Siminilayi Fubara, his deputy, and the Rivers State House of Assembly for 6 months. Addressing a news conference in Abuja, the Convener, Coalition of Civil Society in Defense of Democracy, Dr. Olayemi Isaac faulted the action of the president, especially for siding with the Minister of FCT, Nyesom Wike.
One would have expected that President Tinubu, who happens to be the democratic father of this nation, to have similarly suspended Wike as a minister for the same period so that he would have had time to reflect on the disruptive nature of the crisis in Rivers State, if only to create an impression of impartiality. But the president's failure to do this is indicative of the direction he wants the political situation in the Rivers State to soar.
The group, however, called for a democratic reconciliation process to achieve lasting stability in the state.
The coalition of the civil society in defense of democracy demands immediately that the President Tinubu, within 14 days, set up a panel of non-partisan, eminent Nigerians to mediate between the rival parties in the Rivers State crisis. The mediatory effort must be concluded within 60 days so that the state of emergency can be lifted within 90 days of its declaration. Anything other than that will bring about a political pandemonium or chaos or anarchy, which is not our expectation as a people.
They advocated the need for political actors to play by the rule and support actions that would promote democratic governance in Nigeria. Chukwu Kerechinemerem, CNN News.